You have to be quick if you want an altguild. altguild.com.
So apparently when I first released this pencil case, I neglected to point out some of the design features and how it was meant to be used. This all came about one night when I had some friends over doing artwork, and I noticed how one of them wasn't taking advantage of how it was supposed to work. So I pointed this out and gave them a little demonstration. After that, when the OMGs died down, I got one simple comment. Why didn't I point this out in my listings in the first place? So I decided to take it one step further and create a short video showing some of the thought that went into the design and how to best use it. So let's get started. First off, the elastics. You will notice that I'm using 2 eyelets instead of 1 at the ends. I could have used just the one at the ends, but then you end up with this elastic hanging off the edge, and it basically just gets in the way. So by using the 2, it holds it up and generally keeps it out of the way. Plus, it offers a more elegant solution to closing up the actual case. Now, if you rotate this around, you will also notice that I got this line down here. This is what's called a crease stop. This is for when you're going to bend the leather and you want to encourage it to stop at a certain point, like this. Now, once you've done that, you take your elastic once again and wrap it around like that. And now, instead of a pencil case, you got yourself a nice pencil tray. You take your objects in and out, and with the elastics in place like that, it also helps keep things from falling out if it were to get knocked around. It's really, really stable. It won't fall over. But if you don't want those elastics in your way, you can just flip them over to their edges like this, and now you can easily access it with just one hand. So that's about it. All you have to do now is close it up, and we're good to go. So I hope this has been of some help, and have a great day.
You have to be quick if you want an altguild. altguild.com.